Hello Galactic Family. Dear brothers and sisters, how you feel now? The changes you expect to happen and did not occur, the changes that you did not expect in any way and yet they are here, visible or not, inside or outside of you, you can accept them? You can move on with your life, you can adjust your views, your plans? You already understand that the other part of this human ascension experience is over? Now when those who continued to work on your own cleaning and change and made a very difficult job to release all old energies, what is really necessary to go further and feel confident to adapt to new energies, they should be asking what do we do next? Why are you still here, what still keeps you in this reality? This question can be answered simply by saying that you did not complete all the tasks they had planned for themselves in this life. I know it's very difficult to simply just be within this frequency, when you know something more beautiful, harmonious and loving exists somewhere on a time and space different. You are being shown in your dreams, meditations and visions of a loving frequency of life, because you need to go preparing for it, and helps a lot to you and others can continue with their work. When the right time, for you to leave your current life experience, you have to be ready for the new. Never doubt that you are in place and at the right time for a certain purpose, and when you acquire the necessary experience, you can quickly change your life. Not everyone is willing to rapid change, as this can create some discomfort or fear, and that is why every being has its own speed. That's why you do not see many people suddenly leaving his experience on Earth. Those who already have left, may want to go back and just continue to move fully into the light. Some will not come back, because they will be ready to move to new experiences. Yes. All are also turning their life experiences in the world because you have changed the way you act, see, feel and communicate with each other, and do not care about the stories of fear, which are still spreading, or at least, that some still want to spread them as the truth. However, when you see more of the same people, no matter how far they are with their own awakening process, and they do not even trust the press now, follow your way of life, and it will perfectly guide you to the highest truth of this human existence. I am happy to talk with you again, and I am pleased to share all my knowledge to help them facilitate your awakening process. Salut.